Why hydrogen baths? Here's the thing. Hydrogen gas is poorly soluble in water, and its solubility decreases as the temperature increases. At 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit, water can hold up to 1.6 milligrams per liter of H2. At typical bath temperatures or 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, that drops to 1.4 milligrams per liter. That is a 12.5% decrease in solubility. But even if you saturate the water, the hydrogen gas starts dissipating rapidly. The large surface area of a bath and the heat make hydrogen gas dissipate faster than a sealed bottle or at normal drinking water temperatures. So for hydrogen baths to be effective, generally you have to produce high volumes of hydrogen gas continuously or all at once to offset the losses. That's why quality bath-specific tablets or electrolysis systems are engineered to overcome those losses and hit that greater than 3 milligram per liter minimum threshold. That's why it's so important to have the right setup for your H2 bath. That way it won't fall short of the right H2 dosage. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.